First ball na, 31 ang first ball. Second ball na to.
Our second winning number is number 4. Our winning combination for today's draw outdoor is number 31 and number 4.
Parang meron. May nakita ako.
Yeah, just confirm na po na alis.
4-14. Kuha mo 4.
Susunod naman po natin ay
Binasag yung 4 dun. Pero binasag ko 8.
31-4. 28-35. Umaga 16:40.